Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact carbon filter model and required flow rate so you use the right cartridge. This prevents poor performance. Once done, shut off the water or power and relieve pressure to avoid spills and injury. You should then open the housing and remove the old cartridge, making sure to visually inspect the O-ring and housing for cracks or dirt, because a proper seal is critical to avoid bypass and channeling, which reduces adsorption efficiency. You now prep the new carbon cartridge and lightly lubricate the O-ring with compatible silicone grease so the seal seats without twisting. Once lubricated, position the cartridge correctly, align tabs or guides, and press until it seats firmly. Improper seating causes leakage or short-circuiting of flow. Next, restore flow slowly to purge trapped air and prime the media for 1 to 2 minutes. This ensures full contact between water and carbon for consistent adsorption and prevents. You finish by testing the system. Run at low pressure and inspect all fittings for leaks, then switch to normal flow and recheck because some leaks only appear under load. Make sure to measure output quality, taste, odor, and any pressure drop, since a rising pressure drop or persistent off-taste indicates saturation. If flow falls more than 30% or contaminants persist, replace the cartridge. If problems continue, check seals and fittings first. A single worn O-ring often.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.